Hello, I'm working this book hard and it's very big and fat. I don't know why it's very fat. Okay, let's see. This page is not ready yet. Here I glue these and put here glue here this paper. Flowers I made muffin and put button here. I'm not doing anything. This is new page. Here's a cat dolls. I put wings, lady and butterfly. This is a woman and flowers and more papers. This is ready, I think. I like this and I don't know what I put, and then it's ready and this is ready. I put paper flowers, muffin foam. This is ready, maybe some little, but not big change. Here I drawing rain, and this is file, Finnish file. Finnish name is Norppa, and he saved this Norppa. And I think if this is ready, I put princess and this castle masters. Or king. This is a lot this page I glue, but I know it's this ready, maybe not. Some page I glue one picture, it's not good, and then I glue new pictures, it's not good. Maybe some page I have three pages because I don't like, and I glue again. This is ready. Here's a more and little. And this is ready. This is a Marabou chocolate. I like mint grot. It's a Sweden chocolate, but it's very good. And here I glue this, and I drawing circle, and here's the map. This page I don't like, but I know what I do this page. But something I put. This page I think it's ready. This page maybe not ready. I don't know what I put here. Maybe flowers. This page is ready. I paint black and put heart and circle. I love friends. This page is ready. You are beautiful and smart. This page is lot everything. But I like more drawing here. And this I put button and I cut circle. I put here and ice cream wood put here, and this is a clown and clown girl. And new friend I put here, and heart and shopping. I don't know what I'm doing here. Page, maybe something. Chiquita, pizza, chunk diagonal, chunk, pizza chunk, and ice cream wood, ice cream stick. Here I put butterfly, and animals and flowers. This is grass. I cut paper grass, like grass. Here I made it plastic, and I got a pocket and some wine bottle I glue here, and heart and stars, like same. I cut plastic and heart, and this is not yet anything. Spring summer 1915. It's not ready. This. I think if this is ready, maybe some little travel page. See, travel Paris, Nizza, Santori, Hawaii, green page. Here I drawing piece. It's not yet, maybe, but I don't know. This is ready. Sun, beautiful summer. This is ready. Here I glue this cock and bird, and this is a circle. And I do this shoe and girl clowns. You at your world. I glue this here and little paint here and this heart, flowers. Here I glue first woman and two woman, birds, and this is makeup. What is this, pencil or whatever. Here I not anything. Or maybe this. I got papers. Here I glue this woman and this and grab here this I glue here, this, and this is pocket, and I put page card. This, I don't know, this is not yet. Here I put washi tape and crocodile tape, maybe abstract, and tape. This is ready. I don't like to do anything this page, and maybe this page is ready. Maybe it's like this something, and this is ready. I hope. Okay. Style cam. What is? I don't know what is English. This. But this is catwalk, and I cut cat face, and then I cut woman hair, and I glue together, and this is doors, but it's like cats. What is this? I don't remember. Here I grab these and paint, and I put some birds and birds cakes, and this is plastic. I like this page, and I cut this and put here. Here I put this and some circle. This is birds and postcard, and this I glue here. Here's this is ready page. I like this color. This is pretty. Summer colors 1915. I think this is ready. This is ready. There's many pictures together. And this is a doll, and I turn this watch I glue here, and this is a secret garden. VIP, are you on the list? I like something blue. Red. I want to keep glue some red because it's very blue and turquoise page. This I put take green. It's free, and I put here and free. My World. It is very beautiful. Rohkaisen itseäni ja muuta toivomaan, luottamaan ja olemaan sinnikäs unelmiemme toteuttamisessa. Ja riittävästi on tarpeen, mutta riittävästi on riittävästi. This is Finnish aphorism. Here I paint and this is a domino page. I want glue everything where is black and white. I don't know it's ready, but here this is not ready yet. I don't know what I'm doing this page. I don't really like it, and this is not I like. Varaan aikaa ajatukseni järjestelyyn erottaakseni, mikä on todella tärkeää. Finnish aphorism again. Clock. Beautiful woman. This is I put Ificolor paper and I put a pocket and I glue this woman and I draw. Varmistan aika ajoin elämäni kurssin vetäytymällä kiireestä. Finnish aphorism again. This is a pocket and I put everything chunky what I found and I draw this and I put this beautiful woman. It's like same color. This is cookies cartons. I put this here, Betty's and poly. Here I know what I call, maybe this. Arvostan itseäni huolehtelemaan voimavaroistani. Finnish aphorism. This page is funny. I put pocket and this cat I put together cat face and woman face and woman eyes and cat nose. I am drawing this. Maybe little scary, but I like to do and flowers and I draw everything and small paper. It's not ready, but I don't know what I'm doing this page. I don't know. Here I glue this. I cut and two different papers. This is valheet ja vietteriä. This is chunk post, and I put here and a little map, but it's not ready. This is not ready. Kiwi cake. Antakaa kakkua. It's not ready, but I don't know what I'm doing. This look my world. This is stars and junk mail. Here comes the sun. This is a radio, cars, everything. Here I glue this and little baby. This is not ready, but I don't know what I'm doing. Here I glue this and here I glue woman clown and drawing here, but here I don't like maybe put anything because I like this. Here I put dogs, lot dogs, and he woof 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 woof. I don't know what I'm thinking because I don't. Maybe I like it. Here is delicious cakes, and I cut many different papers and glue here. This is ready. This is a woman, and this is a beautiful colors, like same. Here I glue this because it's parfum puddle, but I don't like it, and I put these. Here I glue this. I write welcome home. This is Finnish tervetuloa kotiin, welcome home, and it's not ready. This is a pocket and two more card, and I drawing. Here I glue this holiday summer. Järjestän tänään ja joka päivä itselleni hiljaisen hetken. Finnish aphorism. This is sun, like sun, and I put here the beautiful colors. This page is they angry because man want this car and woman don't want. And I paint. Harkittua harmoniaa. Rock your color. Tässä on semmoista, this is a rock color. Ja cook. I like. I don't glue anything but this text. I like. This is a beautiful page. I like very much. This is a very child page, and I like. This is I think it's ready, and I paint here. This is not ready, but I don't know what I'm doing. I put the 7 heaven, and I put you don't not see, but it's sparkling, and I mark this. This I think it's ready. I think poppies and carrots and strawberries. This is not ready, but I don't know what I'm doing, and I put this heart. It's a junk mail, and I put here pictures. And this is not ready. I put this fires. Here I put giraffe and clowns, and I paint here flowers. I like this. It's really colorful and smile. I like this. I think it's ready.